What's good? It's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. Live. Good man. Looking like we're having a meltdown for a second, but I mean, all of a sudden we're seeing some bouncing your horses uh about their short too fast. Step down. Obviously, step down. Oh, look at Meta. A little something. Got a lot. Doesn't check. Doesn't 1 2 3 my 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 check. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Levels is good. Levels is good. Chroma key, yeah. What's it called? Maybe melt. Everything shut after like they're having some problems in China. I mean, yo, mm, doing, uh, yeah, that end resort. Go, do some breakout or anything. Yes, me. Sessions doesn't want to check. Sessions doesn't check. Sessions doesn't 1 2 3 Mike check. See it. Everything's kind of like oh, S&P 500 X still over 4,000, bro. I mean, like as long as that thing's over 4,000, still seeing business. Here's the semis. Find something. I just wanna watch the chart when AMD releases the RX 7000. Curious to see how the market, how that particular stock reacts. Everything gap down. Testing 1 2 3 my check. Yeah, I feel like my testing 1 2 3 my check. 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 Testing the levels. Testing the levels. Levels is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Levels is good. Testing 1 2 3 my check. Yeah, I think that's better, bro. My bad, dog. I mean, noise gates. You know what I mean? Like they're good, but sometimes they cut your words off. Damn, boy. Nice little gap down there, bro. Anyone that was short over the weekend. I mean, looking at the way the markets were looking, um, that last half a day, what was it like Friday? It was kind of hard to read, bro. I mean, to tell you the truth. So we'll see what happens here when the market opens. Lord God is my friend. Yeah. Yeah, good morning, guys. This is what the charts are looking like. Look, I ain't gonna have no time to set up no transitions. It's all good. We don't need that. Yeah, there's some protesting in China, bro. It's that zero. It's that zero tolerance policy, bro. God damn. Larry, a bunch of people got puts on, bro. I mean, yeah, it would have been nice to have them freaking going into the weekend, but right now, I feel like we've gapped down decent and maybe found the bottom here. Look, we'll see. You feel me? Like, seems like we gapped down already, bro. Now, will we continue to sell off? That's the real question. But if I had to freaking guess, bro, I'd say we did. We've gapped down already. And again, look, the S&P, I mean the SPX, the S&P 500 index, it's right on previous close. So we're not we haven't went backside really on the market yet. We did go for a second, but then bounced off of the 120, as you can see from right here. Look at that. So yeah, the China plays are gonna be pretty volatile, I think. Here's the semis. Here's something about TSM. Looking kind of like the rest of the semis. Yeah, Shopify is looking decent. Look at Shopify. Oh, what happened? I mean, that might be a misprint. Yeah, yeah. Was it like Veterans Day or something? Like, we just do that every day, bro. Yeah, shout out to everyone. Shout out to all the servicemen out there, bro. The veterans, police officers, you know what I mean, firemen, civic servants, you know what I mean, everyone whose job it is to push society forward, you feel me? And have us maintain some sort of civilization, you feel me? And keep this democracy alive, you feel me? Because trust me, it is under threat, you feel me? Our freedoms are under threat right now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. 2 minutes to market open. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, real volume. Yeah, I agree with that because I felt like over the weekend and like not over the weekend, but like on those days like Thanksgiving and then that half a day, like there wasn't real volume in the market. You feel me? And then I'm also hearing that there is record freaking like shopping and stuff for Black Friday, but um yeah, I mean like I hear that a lot of it. I don't know if it's a theory or something, but I heard that a lot of it was like from those loans. You feel me? Like companies like a firm where you can like put stuff on like these loans. You feel me? Which I don't know if that counts as like real shopping. You feel me? It's almost like the same thing, uh, like the same kind of conditions from whatchamacallit, from like the big bubble. You feel me? It's just like they're just lending out credit. You feel me? But what happens if those people default? All it is just another layer in between. But the end result is just still a bunch of loans and shit. Oh, sorry, excuse my French, and stuff. You feel me? You know how like, and here's the market open. Let's look at the 2 minute. Just off the open, off the open. I heard the dollar is looking weak, I think, and usually that's bullish for the stock market. So remember, like I said, we already gapped down, bro. So, and looks like we gapped down the resistance. I meant to support down here. So I would assume that from where we gapped down to, uh, we 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 go up from the support. You feel me? But who knows? We just gotta watch it. Our energy's down 2%. This is the 2 minute. Amazon's up. I'm gonna put Amazon on one of my other charts. Look, Meta's the first to try to go front side. Look, Meta's freaking putting in higher lows, going front side. Nice rejection off this 111.70s. But I mean, right now everything's looking pretty bullish off the open. Oh shit, the S&P 500 like gap down big time, bro. Hold up, I'm just trying to get some of these charts right. Talking about, look at Tesla trying to go cross over the 120. If that thing gets over the 120, good news. Look at the S&P 500 index, bro. What happened? That's crazy. There we go. Look, that thing freaking it's way down there, bro. Oh damn! Like almost breaking 4,000. I think it did for a second actually. Look at this. Look, we came all the way down here, bro. Look, so 3994. But I mean, it wicked down there. I don't know. Let's go. Let's check out the semis real quick. Nvidia leading the pack. Nvidia took more market share as well. Like AMD lost some market share. AMD gained some, and Intel actually gained some, like in the discrete GPU market. But back to the main screen here. I'm gonna go ahead and close the preview. Look at this heat map, bro. Here, I'm gonna move out the way for a second. Look at this thing. Amazon's up. Meta's barely up. Uh, Everything else is down. Success is a bear. Yen. I think yen, yeah, yen is bullish. So there is some bullishness in the market somewhere. Somewhere out there. Hey, what movie is that from? Life Goes West. Bro, that used to be one of my favorite movies as a kid, bro. And I mean, obvious, like, we had already gapped down. So I feel like wherever we gapped down from and found some support, the market's going to go up from there. But I mean, if we're looking at these other screens, you feel me? Everything's bouncing. It's looking like it's bouncing, but again, we're not front side yet. But Tesla, look at Tesla. I mean, Tesla's been looking bullish these last couple of days, bro. I think there's something there. And look at Nvidia compared to AMD. I mean, you could really see uh, that Nvidia gained market share and AMD lost some just from looking at these charts. But again, Tesla, there's something there, bro. There's a trade there for sure, bro. Look, and again, Tesla was in a range from like 204 to like 230s for a minute. Like right around here, look, from like 200 up to 230s, back down to 200 up to 230s. You know what I mean? And we've just been stepping down. But if Tesla can get back up there, I don't see why. Um, there's no reason why it can't get back in that range. If you ask me, bro, look at that freaking gap, bro. Like the S&P 500 index just gapped down, bro. That thing got abducted by aliens. It's a bunch of space and time missing off of that. And here's the semis. Look, again, nice bullish. I mean, you would expect to see that because we already gapped down. But the real test is going to come when we get the previous close. Are we able to go front side? And Tesla's looking bullish, bro. I mean, wait, hold up. Look at that. Wait, I need to get some hotkeys. Look at Tesla. I mean, where do we find support at? Around this 178. I mean, hold up. First of all, I'm on the wrong chart. Yeah, but still, see, we got down to these levels right here, bro. I'll say that's 178.88. You feel me? All right, now we're starting to see Meta freaking turn around. And that thing was looking bullish out the gate, bro. I mean, that's the 2 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute. What's more like it? I mean, it's looking bullish out the gate. See that's the thing about Meta, bro. Like I've found that Meta consistently gives you range to trade off of, whether it's to the upside or the downside. Let's get these charts on the right time frames. All right, Babo's up there. Did I take the? I think I took the China names off my heat map. Nvidia putting in higher lows. Tesla as well. Look at Tesla. Told you there was something there. Now, you feel me? It's already above all our indicators, including the 120. The only barrier it has left is previous close. Look at Nvidia and AMD following. Nvidia is already above the 120. Again, kind of in the same predicament as Tesla, where it has that previous close to get over. And we're seeing some minor, some minor pulling back. But look, Meta got all the way up here, bro, above previous close. Apple's you feel me, trying to put in a higher low. You feel me? Again, if you're bullish, you don't want to see these things run straight up, bro. You want to see them go up with some moderation. You feel me? Look at Tesla. Ooh, Nvidia. I might put Tesla over here, bro. That thing's looking pretty bullish, bro. I mean, Tesla's looking strong as hell, bro. But you got the Qs inching their way up to previous close. Look at Apple, put in a higher low, did some consolidation, now trying to move higher. Think we're gonna watch Tesla over here, bro. And then I'll put Apple over here. That thing's looking bullish as hell, bro. Heard Amazon's going crazy. Up for $2 or $2.50. I mean, it's looking to like similar to Nvidia though, actually. But yeah, they're both looking bullish. Look, Nvidia's over here trying to go front side. Amazon's already front side. I'm curious to see what happens with Tesla. Are we able to hold above this previous close? I mean, I called it, bro. Like with the China names, I knew there was gonna be some drama around that zero COVID policy, bro. Look at Tesla. I mean, what you would like to see if you were long on Tesla is it consolidate above previous close. Man, after it's extended up this high like this, bro, like I wouldn't be chasing it unless it could really consolidate and things ripping higher. I wouldn't be trying to chase it up here, bro, unless we can consolidate up here for a while and not break down this level. But right now it's extended. again, like I I believe freaking Tesla's due for a relief rally. It's been due for it, bro. It's been like that thing's been it had been selling off for like 2 weeks. So I mean, look at Nvidia going front side. I mean, that's pretty bullish. Look, look, Apple uh putting in higher lows up here, trying to cross over the 120, trying to reject off of it. But I mean, that's a pretty bullish pattern. I need to get my hotkey game straight, bro. Look at the cues, like just straight up, bro. Like bullish, 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 getting up the previous close. I mean, this is crucial though. Are we able to go front side on the Nasdaq, uh, the the QQQs? And we're trying, we're trying. Let's watch this 2 minute. So I mean, wherever we gap down from, you feel me? We're already back up there. That's previous close basically. So we're seeing the market take a breather right now, but that's expected. You feel me? Especially after bullishness like that. Up for a little bit. All right, so we're seeing basically the range. You feel me? Is how I see it. So it's looking like the top. You feel me? Is up here for now. So this is cruise. I mean, basically everything that I'm watching is kind of topping out. You know what I mean? Like, and it's like topping out, maybe getting some sellers, some profit takers out the way, in order to head higher, or we could be at the top of the range and maybe going down to test the bottom. I mean, we're only what 20 minutes into market, so a lot of obviously volatility off the open like any other day. Got Apple got up to this 120 right here and rejected. And I mean, like even all the China news, you feel me? Like that's I would think that's pretty bearish for Apple. So the fact that it's able to still, yeah, I mean, put in some higher lows and try to go uh, cross over the 120. You feel me? Shows me it has some sort of relative strength. Here's Amazon and Nvidia. I mean, basically the whole market's doing the same thing, bro. I'm gonna close the preview. Now, again, what's crucial, I believe, on Tesla is, are we able to consolidate above this previous close up here, bro? Now the Qs, I mean, they got up to previous close and rejected. The SPY couldn't even get up there. That thing rejected off the 120, just like Apple. Now look at Tesla, trying to consolidate up here and put in higher lows above previous close. And I'm seeing a decent amount of green prints on it. I mean, 182. I mean, on the options chain, bro, like goes from 180 to 182.50 and then 185. The calls are $5. 185 calls. So 500. Nvidia trying to push higher. Trying to go front side. Look. Reject having some trouble off that previous close. And here's the Apple, the S&P 500 index. Let's go out a couple of days, bro. I mean, we're still above 4,000. I believe that's a crucial level right here. Right there. So when we gap down, you feel me? Like we cracked it for a second. Well, you know it is possible. Obviously, anything's possible. Not much we do know. But do we hold an Nvidia over here going front side? You feel me? Let's check it out on a 2-minute. It's gonna have trouble up there, but if it is able to get above previous close and consolidate, I mean, obviously bullish for it. And look at Tesla. I already knew there was a trade there on Tesla, bro. Ooh, look at that thing. Freaking bullish, bro. Look, them calls went up 65 cents. The 185s were like $5 flat. Now they're 560. And again, Tesla moving independently from the market, bro. Because basically what I see is everything else fading. Tesla ripping. Meta was looking pretty strong out the gate. Now that thing's fading, bro. Let's do some technical analysis. See where we could fade to. I mean, it's just off the hip. There's 110.30s. 110.70s. Basically where we're at right now. So it's just kind of crucial. Good Tesla, bro. I mean, market's fading. Looking like we're about to see a meltdown. Consolidating above this previous close. Oh shit, I don't have a be right back. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Back. My bad. Didn't have time to set up a be right back stream, bro. Look, consolidating up here above the above previous close, bro. Contrary. Look, everything else is fading. But I mean, like, dude, the 185s. Like the trade was down here, bro. The 180s right out the gate. Some things would have printed decent. Look, the 180s now worth $8. I want to see something real quick. Tesla's still looking bullish, bro. Tesla grinding up. We're starting to see some bouncing coming in. Look, the Qs got up the previous close, rejected, and faded down, got the VWAP and bounced. So, I mean, from where we opened to right here, I mean, relative to where we opened, that is a higher low, bro. And the Qs are above VWAP. So is Apple. So is Nvidia. Nvidia's actually going front side right now. I mean, let's see. Look. So the Qs are front side. I mean, I'm sorry, Nvidia is front side. Now, what'll be crucial is that able to consolidate up here. Amazon got up here to I don't know what that is, 96.30s and rejected. Back down, past VWAP, and it's trying to bounce off the 9 right now. Apple rejecting off the 120. It's trying to base on VWAP, and then the S&P 500 just, I mean, that gap down was crucial, bro. But again, this 4,000 right here, I feel is more significant. Heard the banks are selling off big time. Oh my god, I slipped. Jesus Christ. Oh, sorry. God forgive me. Dag nabbit. But we shall see. We are coming down. I'm gonna go ahead and yeah. All right. Yeah, there's data coming out. And look at Tesla, bro. Look, bro, them same when I mean I can only imagine what the calls are now, bro. Like I called it the 185s, 575. I mean, who would chase it from here? I don't know, bro. Like honestly, I feel like it's still beat down even at these levels, bro. We got PCE coming out this week. We got Kapow speaking this week. You feel me? Look at Tesla. That thing's just freaking ripping to the upside. Let's go out. I mean, look how far we're pretty far away from 200. Dallas Fed coming out. Look, Tesla's still ripping, bro. That thing's looking super bullish, bro. I mean, Tesla's been the trade though. Like, oh, it was a big winner for me last week. Look, we'll have to hit that 185. Look, 590 now. I mean, Tesla's ripping, bro. Holding. That thing's ripping. Nvidia chopping around up here above previous close. So I mean that's pretty bullish for it. Up here, bro. The longer it can stay up here, I believe the more bullish it can be. Look at Amazon, back down, bouncing off of VWAP on the 9. Um, yeah, I mean the Q's basically doing the same thing. Mm, Lord have mercy. Yeah, Tesla's been running, bro. Telling you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Shit. 185. I mean, them things expensive. Now they 615. I mean, obviously they're in the money now. The 190s, the 200s are a dollar or something, bro. I might try to grab some, but I would like to go further out. 11 days out or 4 days out. I mean, I'd be more comfortable with the 11 days out. The 200s. I mean, 190s. It's just hard to go that far out though when we got data coming out, bro. I ain't gonna lie, cause whatever they say could swing the market drastically. I heard Boeing selling off. Like Tesla finally looking like it was topping out, but who knows? Nvidia is cracking to the downside again, going backside, and this S&P 500 index is looking like it wants to crack. This 4,000 look, it's just been fading, bro. Getting closer and closer to this 4,000. You know what I mean? I feel like that's gonna be critical. Look, everything's cracking to the downside. Yeah, we're seeing some bread coming in the market right now, bro. Uh, right at 4,000. Oh Lord, bro, like get the fuck. Don't tell me I got that shit on my screen. All right. Oh, oh, I gotta block. I gotta block some fucking some spam in my chat. Hold up. I'll be right back. Spam in my chat. Hold up. I'll be right back. 'Cause, 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 ' Tesla. Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This shit looking pretty bullish right now, dude. Look at this thing, dude. Just freaking higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, stepping up. I mean, right here we've seen some consolidation. Like I said, over a previous close, which feel me, got like the sellers out the way, maybe profit takers and all that, uh, in order to head higher. And I've been seeing nothing but like green prints hitting the tape on Tesla, bro. Moving contrary to everything else. The S&P 500 is like, you feel me, like getting ready to freaking crack. Let's just go look at it real quick. Look, just right, it's just stepping down, bro. We cracked it for a second now. Look at this. Yeah, that Cybertruck's ugly, bro. I ain't gonna lie, dude. I don't like it. I don't even really like some of the Teslas. I feel like some of the other EVs look better. There's Amazon and Nvidia. I mean, everything's kind of cooling off except for Tesla. And look, as the S&P 500 gets closer and closer to this 4,000, the market's just looking weaker and weaker, bro. Tesla finally maybe taking a breather. But dude, even if you want to fade that thing, the puts are just as expensive as the calls, bro. Yeah, we're coming down. Look at this heat map. Let's look at this S&P 500 SPX. Look right there, bro. Look, and then like 4,000, like 4,001, bro. That's like look, it's bouncing off that level decent. Now the S&P 500 index is bouncing. Looks like there's some strength coming in right on that 4,000 level, bro. Look, Tesla just looking freaking strike bullish. Like I feel like honestly Tesla could run up to 200 to like 230s. And as we see the S&P 500 index bouncing off this 4,000, or it's really like 4,001, now we're seeing some life come into the market. Look, the Q's freaking tanked. That they bought it back up. Look at that long wick all the way. I mean, it kind of bounced off of everything. Didn't quite get down to the 120. Bounce off of VWAP, off the 9, off the short term. Maybe we spoke too soon. Right? Look at Tesla finally cooling off a little bit. But I mean, again, if you're long, You don't want to see it go straight up. You want to see some healthy pullbacks and some consolidation to let the people that are trading it get out so it can continue with its momentum. If it goes straight up, it's going to go straight down. Yeah, Pinduoduo, yeah. That thing was looking bullish this morning. Tesla looking like it wants to continue higher. Look, yeah, Amazon is coming down, Nvidia's coming down. Look at these things. Oof, oof. Microsoft on the lows. Look, here's the SPX. I mean, held that level there and was able to get above the short term, the 9 and VWAP. Now consolidating on VWAP. Close this preview. It's like too resource intensive. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cyber Monday, Black Friday. So you would expect some of those retailers to be up, like your Amazon, your Shopify, stuff like that. My goddamn, whatchamacallit, ain't really doing nothing. What about to cut it? I mean, those are the money up here. But I mean, 4 days till expiration, bro. They still ain't arrest saying Bankman ride. That boy in the Bahamas, like he bugging, bro. And he went in there and hacked. So where we at right now? Like 110, 110's on here. Those 111 calls. I mean, yeah, they're $2. Tesla just ripping. I mean, kind of seeming like we're seeing some top in action. That is freaking headed to the downside. I don't know if he's Indian for real though. Indian accent sounds fake. Ulta's always on the high, bro. Like that thing's recession proof. Girls still want to look good, bro. This thing's just fading. Oh, wait, have to grab me like butters on, dog. Fucking just a hedge. Uh, would have been better to grab it up here, bro. I mean, I see bouncing coming in the market. So let's just chill, baby. Let's just chill. Look at the SPY. Look here. I mean, the Q text looking weak. I don't know the. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let me see something. 207. Oh, they're going up quick. All right. There's a just quick little hedge. Wait, hold up. Damn. They ain't let they. Oh, I got filled. All right. Okay. Just in case, bro. Just in case. Just in case, dog. Heard that bonds are catching a bid, going up. Nvidia, Amazon, like to the downside, decent. Um, Again, top of the range. Nice fade action right there. Let's look at Apple and the SPX. Same thing, fading. Everything's fading right now. I mean, yeah, I'm hedged up, bro. I mean, it's looking like we're heading down. The SPX is about to crack, so I might go ahead and get out of up one side of this. Yeah, yeah, I'm getting out. Yeah, bro. Like the market's heading down, dude. All right. Look, this is crucial. I mean, like we haven't seen no downside action like this in a minute, bro. Obviously, some data came out. Look, the SPX cracked, and then if you go over here and look at Nvidia and Amazon, bro, just tanking. And remember, everything is pretty much already backside. You feel me? Amazon isn't, but like Apple, Nvidia, Meta, the SPY, the Qs, the SPX, uh, only ones that aren't are Amazon and Tesla right now. But bro, like this is some serious downside action. Q's cracking, bro. Oof. Look at that. Uh, I mean, up about 8%. I don't know. Let's just let that play out. You know, look at this, the SPX. The dollar's popping. That means it's bearish for the stock market, bro. Look, we cracked, we cracked that 4,001, and I mean we're just looking bearish right now. Look at this, to the downside, to the downside, downside. So the dollar's popping. You feel me? I don't know. I might go ahead and take profits. 9%. I mean 9%, but we're still fading. So let's see how far we fade, bro. I do see the SPX trying to bounce. 39.97, 90, trying to bounce here. Look, really quick. See, it's a little bit bouncing right here, and we've seen a little bit now. Nvidia is taking harder, bro. Look, heading down. Amazon heading down. Oh my God, look at the SPX now, bro. That thing's freaking cracking to the downside, bro. Like these are lows right here. Let's go out a little bit and see how far we can go. This is where we're at now. So look, I mean, there's another level around here, like right around here. Looks like one right here, like maybe right here. So everything's dipping. Let's check out the. I'm gonna watch this on the 3 minute, bro. Amazon, Nvidia is freaking cracking to the downside, dude. Ooh, look at this. Oh, another high on the dollar. That's bearish for the stock market, bro. Anytime the dollar goes up, you can pretty much assume that the stocks are going down, bro. That's the relation that I see. Now you do see, look, the SPX trying to bounce here, but bro, you know what? The thing's looking pretty bearish. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in some profits here. I'm up 15%, up 16%. I don't know. Yeah, maybe I should go ahead and log in. But every time, see, this is where I'm conflicted at. Now we got bouncing coming in. Look at this. Now if you go over here and look at the SPX, look. So Apple's down here at the lows, and this thing's like making new lows. If you check out Nvidia, look at that, bro. Oh my God, that would have been a nice fade right there. I mean, it should have been evident um, from all the wicks and the topping out. But again, like I was already in a couple trades, so I didn't want to be doing too much. You feel me? Now we do see some bouncing coming in. I mean, up 12%. Like this data. I'm gonna go ahead and lock in gains. Take those off the table, bro. And then we'll wait for the next move. Looks like the next move might be down. You see that wick on top? Okay, Tesla got up here to what, 186 and started fading. Just want to check out a couple. Let's look at see what Google's doing. We're seeing some bouncing coming into the market. We're trading at 96.50s. I mean, our guys on 97s. I'm gonna try something here. And I just bought on the ask. Cause like, look, look, I mean, we sold off, and it seems like we found the bottom here. It's the same place that we like off the open, we gapped down, and the wick came down here and bounced. This is where we're consolidating at right now. So a major level here, bro. Like it depends on what happens right here. But look at Apple, same thing. And then if we go over here, look, Nvidia is trying to bounce here. I guess. I mean, right here, see where we gap down to, and I'm just holding as resistance. I mean, that resistance is holding right now. Amazon, look, trying to bounce around the same area. All right, so I think we got some data come out. Look, Apple is now bouncing. Look, the S&P 500 index is trying to bounce. Look, we got the SPY here. The SPY is trying to bounce. The Qs are trying to bounce. Tesla even. I'm gonna close the preview. I need a double. I want to get a double PC set up. That way I can have my preview open all the time, bro. So look, double bottom right here on the Qs. Does the double bottom do anything? I mean, Apple tried to bounce for a second. Wick on top kind of looks just like Google. You feel me? Look at Tesla at VWAP right now. The Qs at this double bottom off the open. Crucial. I do see the S&P 500 putting in a higher low right here. Again, that's a 3 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. Now Apple putting in a higher low, trying to bounce, kind of looking bullish on the 5 minute. Amazon kind of same thing. Nvidia kind of the same thing. Nvidia and look, off the 160.99, so basically 161 is where Nvidia bounced. Amazon sold off and bounced at this 94.10s, and Apple, I mean, was looking kind of bullish for a second, but they're selling into it, and I mean, the S&P 500 has cracked. I don't know. There's some wicks down here though. It's kind of hard to call right now, but market's looking bearish. Definitely looking bearish. This is crucial right here. If the Nasdaq cracks right here, this double bottom, and isn't able to hold, I mean, I would expect a lot of tech to fade even more. I mean, it's fighting. That PRBB, I should have grabbed a couple shares of that, bro. Yeah, dude, I already knew it. As soon as any little COVID shit, I mean, sorry, COVID stuff came out over there, bro, and it was gonna be major issues. I've said it like 10 times, bro. I've said it like 10 times. Keep the China names on your radar. All right, so I don't know if any data came out or anything right now, but we are seeing some bouncing in the market. Look at the SPY, the Qs trying to respect that little double bottom there. Look at that, bomb, bomb. I mean, and again, bro, like if you just zoom out and look, it's range like here's been the bottom of the range so far. The top's up here, bro. You know, the SPY, I mean, couldn't even get above that 120. So if we do see some short-term bullishness come in the market, and the Qs are able to at least start going up towards the top of the range, um, the Qs were able to get above the 120 last time. The SPY was not. So if we see, basically like history repeat itself and we go back up to test the top of the range, I mean, in order to see something different, you would want to see the SPY also be able to cross over the 120. Because so far, look, the top of the range for the SPY has been that 120. It's looking like what, 400, 400, 400, 434. So I mean, obviously some type of data or something came out because we're seeing some bouncing coming in the market. But again, you also have to uh, keep a eye on the time because you know like bouncing just comes in the market like around like 10:30 or 11 o'clock. Look, there's Apple. Look, there's the S&P 500, the SPX trying to bounce up there. I'm at down here. Look, but we're below 4,000 right now. Now here's Nvidia and Amazon. Nvidia bouncing decent. So I'm gonna bring this down here like this and say we have a intraday support 160 80s. Apple. Look. Well, no, go for Gene, bro. Like, there's a lot, dog. All right, look, we're seeing some bouncing coming in. Google rejecting off that 9. The SPY rejecting off that 9. I mean, look at Tesla, though. There was your pullback to get in real quick on VWAP. Remember, like I said, VWAP is like can be used as like an intraday support or resistance and a gauge. So using it as a support and a gauge. If once you're seeing Tesla coming down and consolidating on VWAP, probably would have, if I was actively trading it right now, it would have gave me some confirmation about a dip. I mean, I want to see Google get back up here to the top of the range. Look at the Qs. Qs looking strong. Tesla looking strong. Apple looking strong. Nvidia was looking strong. Now looking like it's pulling back a little bit on the 5 minute. But we got some protesting going on over there, bro, about these COVID lockdowns, which is kind of a big deal, bro, because usually like they don't go for that type of stuff over there, bro. Like the government runs it. There ain't no free like right to protest and all that, bro. Like they can come in and shut it down, bro. Yeah. I heard they got blank signs. It's unprecedented. They're letting them freaking uh protest. Is that democracy creeping its way in? You know, look, the Qs are putting in a higher low, trying to grind up. I mean, the spies just been looking weak today. Look at Tesla. That would have been a nice little trade right there. I'm hearing that the dollar's going up, and yeah, the SPX is not getting over 4,000. I'm looking at it on the 15 minute though. Hold up. Let me go back. All right. I mean, we're getting close. Let's just check it out. So that's where we're at, dude. This thing's trying to get over 4,000. Looking like it eventually will because we're seeing Apple double bottom and putting in higher lows. Now crossing over the 9. Basically, Nvidia doing the same thing. All right. Look, Nvidia and Amazon doing the same thing, trying to bounce here. All right. Now over here, look, we got the Qs trying to put in a higher low. You feel me? They're hitting it though. The SPY, same thing. Google, same thing. And Tesla, this front side, Tesla's doing its own thing, bro. Like always. Yeah, Apple is putting in a higher low. Right here. This is crucial. The S&P 500 getting above this. Very crucial. We're at 3995. 39.99.5. So 50 cents away. Check out this heat map. Little mixed bag there. Little mixed bag. I mean, higher lows, higher lows. Uh, and I mean, right now we're just looks like the SPX is fading a little bit. Now it's at 399 8. Ooh, cracking to the downside. Ooh, let's go. Look, look at this thing. It's a 3 minute chart. Like we're not. It's having trouble getting to 4,000. Yeah, yeah, that sucks. Nah, I forgot, bro. Like I just threw on any shirt, but yeah, I don't so like I stand way gay. I just threw this shirt on accident. Yeah, bro. Like I'm saying, they're getting off the chain with it, bro. Like that's why I'm like leaning more conservative or independent, bro. Like it's too like bro, like too much canceling and shit, bro. Like who like can't even like we're starting to not have free speech, bro. Like what the like what is that, bro? Are we in the U.S. or what, dude? Like you can't even talk. Bro, you guys need to go watch that Dave Chappelle monologue from SNL, bro. Like, it's so good, bro. It's so good. Like, that man's a genius, bro. Brilliant. Like, I guarantee you, bro. Go watch that thing, man. Yeah. Look, now we got some bouncing coming in. Apple's looking strong for a second. I mean, still putting in higher lows, bro. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Double bottom action. Been putting in higher lows. That candle's trying to look bullish. Let's zoom in a little bit. Look at Apple. I mean, that's a 2 minute, but still, look, double bottom. We've been grinding up. Now we're above the 120. So I would expect the Qs to start looking bullish. I mean, Nvidia bouncing, Amazon bouncing, and I guess the level would be around here. 9380s. Yeah, band. Yeah, bro. Like I had a freaking uh, freaking like ban some shit. I don't know why they keep putting in that shit. Fucking spam in my chat, bro. But actually don't think I have my chat set up. So I had to redo my OBS. All right, so now we see the SBX, Apple, and basically everything looking bearish. Looking bearish, looking bearish. So let's see. Nvidia got back down to that level, whatever it was, the 160.80s, and tried to bounce. And now it's looking like it wants to crack. Amazon basically the same thing at the 93.80s. And here's what the problem is right here, bro. Right here, this S&P. Look, it's like we gave up that 4,000. We can't reclaim it. So that's where we're having issues at. Amazon, video. Yeah, everything's, I mean, I don't know, bro. We are cracking, 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 cracking. And I am looking like I'm about to go ahead and cut my trade. I was up about 8% on it. That's about that's about the most I'm willing to lose. Mm. What's the Twitter handle? 399. It's respecting the 4,000 as resistance. Now the Qs, I mean, double bottom. So we'll see what the Qs do, bro. Does it double bottom, triple bottom here? Now looking at the SPX, bro. What monitor are we on? Yeah, look, this thing's cracking, bro. So we're heading lower, bro. That's what it looks like. Look, Amazon, Nvidia. And as we see Google crack to the downside, that's basically my cue to go ahead and exit that position. That's I'm just waiting to see if the Qs crack this triple bottom right here, bro. But it's looking like it will. I mean, see, this is what I'm watching right here. The Qs. So we got 1, 2, 3, triple bottom. Wait, 9%. The SPX just stepping down like systematically. Oh, and they're like dumping on this thing, dude. I'm about to get out. I'm about to dump. Yeah, wait, I'm about to get up. Like the market's just heading lower, bro. Oh, yeah, the dollar's hitting the highs, bro. That means bearish for the stock market, bro. Cracking, cracking, cracking. Oh, everything's looking bearish, bro. Look at this. Look at the SPX. Look at Nvidia. Look at Amazon. Yeah, I mean, like very small position. It's the only reason why I'm giving it a little leeway, bro. We're cracking to the downside, but I'm starting to see like some bouncing coming in. And basically, what I'm gonna do really quick, I need to do something. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back.